A lot of patterns that I make are patterns for keychains. I just love how quickly they are to make. So if you make a keychain, I do always explain how to do the crochet part. But something I never really explain is how to attach the keychain to the crochet part that you make. So that's what I'm gonna explain today. So I'm gonna show you with these two, but it is the same technique for anything you make. So what I use is a keychain that looks like this, and this is the part that you will attach your amigurumi or your crochet part to. I will also use two of these. You can do it with your hands, but especially if you make a lot, or just if you don't want to like ruin your hands and your nails, it's easier if you have something like this. This one is flat, which is better suited for closing the keychains, but yeah, I have one flat and one round, and that actually works fine for me. So just use whatever you have in your house. The only thing you can't use is something like this. This is used to snip it, so it will ruin your keychain. So what we do, we get the keychain part, and if you look here, there will be a little opening, and we attach our first thing here, and then with the other, we're going the other side, and if you just twist it open like this, you can see we just opened this. Now we get our cactus or whatever we want to attach, and we just kind of look, where do we want our keychain to go? Well, I just want it right in the middle, so you can be a bit harsh with this part. I just make it, you go into one of the holes that crochet makes, and you leave your crochet at another one of the holes, and that works fine. So now the only thing we have to do is close it. So again, I take both parts, and once it wants to focus, let's see if I can get it to focus. Yeah, we can close it again by twisting the same way that we did when we opened it, but then we twist it back, and now you can see here it is closed again, and we have a keychain. So I will show you again with another one. We have our keychain, we find the little opening, we make sure that we get these on both sides, and you twist it open like this. We open it like this, then we get whatever we want to insert. Also here I just want to go right next to the top, so I try to find the little holes. So here I have here, so I go in there. Sometimes you really need to grab this to get it in there, figure out where it goes out, and then we close it. I just showed you how we close it with two of these, but you can also sometimes just use one. If you didn't open it too much, you just get the flat one. It doesn't work as well with this round one, but if you have it flat here, you just get it between there, and then you pinch. You need to make sure that it stays the right way. This is a bit more difficult, but it takes less time, so if you need to do a lot, it can be worth it to learn how to do both. Sometimes it doesn't close entirely how you want it to. So here you can see it's not entirely closed yet, and then I just, from different sides, I will pinch these two ends together, and you can see now it's properly closed and it lines up. So that is how you can make a keychain and, well, attach the keychain. Any of these patterns you can find on my site. I haven't uploaded all of the patterns yet, but if you see one that you really want to know how to make, just send me a message and I can put the pattern on my site. These are actually all free patterns at the moment, and these are paid patterns you can find on my Ravelry. I actually don't know how to pronounce that, but these are paid patterns, and there's currently the COVID-19 virus going around, and all of the profits from these patterns are actually going to the Red Cross. So that's how you will attach your keychains. I hope you learned something new today. If there's anything that you want me to explain to you, anything you don't know how to do, just send me a message and I can try to figure out how to explain it to you.